Namaskar. Welcome to Mathematical English. Today we are going to write an essay. এসে হলো প্যারাগ্রাফের বর্ধিত রূপ। সুতরাং এসের কলেবর একটু বড় হয়। আজ যে বিষয়ের উপর আমরা এসে লিখব সেটা এবারের মাধ্যমিক এবং উচ্চ মাধ্যমিক পরীক্ষার্থীদের জন্য বিশেষ গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। তাহলে শুরু করা যাক। এসে অন এফেক্ট অফ করোনা প্যান্ডেমিক অ্যান্ড সোশ্যাল স্টেপস টেকেন। What is the most discussed thing all over the world is nowadays pandemic coronavirus COVID-19. In the grip of corona, the whole world is continuously trembling. As a result, human civilization is mysteriously at a tremendous risk of annihilation. The entire world is whispering with uncertainty and questions. How long will the pandemic last? Will the human civilization exist or be wiped out in the flux of time? The most intelligent human beings are at a loss what to do or how to prevent this devastating nuisance. It is a vital question whether modern science will be able to control this procession of death caused by the virus or be proved itself in vain. This deadly COVID-19 pandemic has already affected our day-to-day life and rocked the global economy. According to the report of World Health Organization, WHO, the current outbreak of COVID-19 has affected over 1,59,83,502 people and killed more than 6,43,319 people from more than 200 countries throughout the world. So, this may be called a global disaster. The most common symptoms of this viral infection are breathing problems, fever, cold, cough, bone pain, loss of smell and taste, and ultimately leading to pneumonia. As per the official reports, the largest numbers of confirmed cases are in the United States, Italy, Brazil, Spain, and France. India is not at all an exception. More than 13,85,522 people have recently been affected in India. Out of them, more than 8,85,577 people have already been cured. The impact of COVID-19 on society as well as global environment is certainly surprising. At the outbreak of COVID-19, there have been a huge problems in our daily life. Patients with other diseases and health problems are getting neglected. Doctors and nurses are continually doing their duties at a very high risk. Sometimes they are also being affected with this killer disease. Many factories are not in proper order to produce essential goods for human beings. Even social sections are not out of this mishap. Service sectors are not being able to provide their services properly. Celebration of cultural, religious and festive events are greatly disrupted. The vast affected area is education section, in which a large number of students are directly affected for not being able to continue their regular study. A lot of important examinations have been postponed. Every day, people are losing their jobs and income. There is no way of knowing when normality will return. Under this corona crisis condition, the role of West Bengal government is really praiseworthy. The government has already taken a number of social steps to help the poor people in this crucial moment. The government has stretched its helping hands towards the students also. All the students are being helped by providing them rice, potatoes, pulses, sanitizer, soap, etc. Besides, guardians are also provided a huge essential commodities on behalf of the government. The government is often taking lockdown situation to break the chain of the virus. But lockdown is not the only measure to fight against such a contagious virus. To speak the truth, an overall consciousness among people is needed to get ourselves free from this enemy. The following social steps also have to be taken to protect ourselves. Number 1, we have to wash our hands often with soap and water at least 20 seconds, especially after going to bathroom and before eating. Number 2, we should avoid touching our eyes, nose and mouth with unwashed hands. Number 3, we have to avoid close contact with people who are sick. Number 4, we should cough or sneeze into our elbows rather than into our hands. Number 5, we have to stay at home without an urgent need. Number 6, we should strictly maintain social distancing, a distance of 6 feet from one another while outside. Number 7, above all, we have to always wear a mask at the time of going to the outside. Conclusion. Though Corona is constantly showing its gigantic power, it will obviously be defeated in course of time. Once the storm will stop and the world will surely be calm. একদিন ঝড় থেমে যাবে, পৃথিবী আবার শান্ত হবে. Having invented such preventive vaccines, the scientists will cry out in joy. Yes, we have done it. Modern science will host it plumb positively. Consequently, civilization will start singing its victorious song again. Thank you. সবাই ভালো থেকো এবং দেখতে থাকো ম্যাথমেটিক্যাল ইংলিশ।